Hi, my lovely Leos. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. Hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. Leo, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check the other signs in your birth chart. Okay, so you'll get a better understanding and clear picture of the energies around you. So Leos, while meditating and shuffling for you guys, I'm not feeling too well physically. Okay, I am feeling like I was doing absolutely good actually till now, but now all of a sudden I'm feeling really tired and I actually felt quite dizzy also. Okay, so guys, I am really feeling worried about someone's health here. Please keep a tab on your BP. Okay, please get your BP checked if you haven't got it checked in the recent times, because that's what I'm strongly getting. Okay, and I really feel that you need to take care of your health. Okay, some of you guys, you really need to take care of your health. Do not neglect your health. Okay, I know you guys are busy in your life. Okay, there are too many things to do, but please do not ignore your health into that, because I feel that some of you guys are ignoring your health or have been ignoring your health to the point wherein you really have to have no choice but take rest now and take good care of yourself, that kind of a situation. So please be aware of your health is what I'm strongly getting through this meditation and shuffling. Okay guys, so yeah, let's get started with your reading and see what messages we have for you guys for this month of March. Okay, yeah. Five of Pentacles had incidentally shown up while shuffling also. Okay, wow, lot of swords. So lot of swords and energy in this reading. Swords and Pentacles, I'm sorry. So either you have air in your chart, okay, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or earth in your chart heavily somewhere, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, or you are dealing with someone with these two signs, but it's not mandatory, but that's the kind of energy that you guys are embodying, or the people with whom you are interacting with are embodying. The energy at the bottom of deck again is Nine of Pentacles. Okay, it's strong earth energy. Wow. Sun and Ten of Swords. Wow, lovely. There's Hanged Man also. Okay, change in perspective. Nine of Wands. Okay, yeah, I'm not surprised to see this card, guys. Death also. So definitely closure to one chapter. Whoa, I am going to take this card. I really love that card. So we'll talk about this overall energy in the end, guys. Let's get started with your main reading. So the energy in the present energy is that of Seven of Wands. Now this to me looks like some kind of conflict, some kind of struggle. Now this to me, the kind of energy I'm getting is that this is your struggle, your inner struggle. Okay, probably you guys are overthinking about something. You are kind of creating your own obstacles over here, is what I say. You are kind of over expecting from yourself, your own self. Okay, you have set your bar really high, and that's what sometimes upsets you, that kind of energy I'm getting over here. So more than external influences, I see this is your energy, guys. You are being a little too hard on yourself. Knight of Cups, this is a beautiful energy. The energy crossing is Knight of Cups. Now since this has come in crossing this thing, I feel that some of you guys are not paying attention to their emotions, or I feel that someone you are not allowing new energies to flow into your life in terms of your relationship. Okay, you are so focused on your career and your profession and getting things right, okay, or perfection, that you're not giving enough time to the personal aspect or the relationship aspect. Okay, so there is someone who is wanting to come towards you, someone who really likes you, wants to would want to date you probably, but you're not paying attention to that because you're focused on something else only. Is that what I can say over here? Yeah, the energy in the recent past is that of two of wands. Now this is you guys, planning something, preparing for something, maybe overseas travel, maybe a job change, maybe a career change, okay, maybe planning to go for higher studies, but definitely you're doing your groundwork, your research work, and I think this is what you're focused on, and this is what you're worked up about, is what I see over here in the recent past. Okay, in your immediate future there is this five of pentacles. Now this is the energy of someone feeling a little low, okay, someone feeling a little left out in the cold, okay, some breach of trust over here. This could also be at your workplace. Now since this energy is dominated with pentacles, I feel that this has got to do with your professional this thing. Maybe at workplace there is some unhealthy competition, okay, maybe there is some jealousy around, maybe there is some toxicity around, and that is kind of bringing your morals down, okay, and that is what you're struggling with, is what I see over here. Yeah, so the thing is, guys, plan your strategy well, plan your words well, articulate your words before speaking to someone, is what I am strongly getting as a message for you. The energy at the bottom is or at the subconscious is that of Chariot. Definitely you guys are preparing for something, okay, you are mentally also preparing for some new, for some change. You want to gain some momentum in certain aspect. Now this Chariot and this two of cups, two of wands looks same to me, like the similar energies, like you are strongly preparing for something, be it for a new job, or be it to go somewhere, travel somewhere, okay, for higher studies maybe, but this is what you are thinking a lot at your subconscious level also, okay. This is a Cancerian card, by the way. Maybe you have Cancer in your birth chart somewhere, but know that things are gaining momentum, okay, at the in the background things are flowing, even if you can't see them right away. Things are gaining momentum, is what I see over here. Yeah, and you are kind of like just ready to go, you're just waiting for the time, and you are just like all set to achieve your dreams or whatever those goals are. The energy at the crowning level is that of Page of Pentacles. Now Page of Pentacles and Empress card, I feel that some of you guys have got some ideas, some business idea, some career idea, or something just out of the blue and out of the box, okay, and that is what you are going to pursue about. I feel that this is more to do with your profession, okay. Maybe you are switching careers, not just job but careers altogether, is what I see. So suppose you are into a job right now, probably you will go into a business idea, you'll start a business, or if you already have a business, then you'll start a new line of business altogether, okay. So that kind of a thing I am getting. Now this will come to you as this will come as an idea out of the blue for you guys, okay. Maybe you'll get idea from any of your friends, okay, or while watching TV, something that you are doing mindlessly, and then something catches your eye, and bam, you get this idea out of the blue, is what I see over here. Definitely new career opportunities is what I see, and one that you're really going to okay, like pursuing, is what I mean. Yeah, the energy in the advice level is that of Wheel of Fortune. The things are gaining momentum, guys. There is this Chariot, there is this Wheel of Fortune, so please don't get worried, or don't get stressed about anything. Life is changing for you, okay. Maybe this time might be a little turbulent, okay, since the events that are happening in your life are major ones, okay. You might kind of face some difficulties while going through this, but these changes are surely for better, guys, because there is this Sun also in your overall energy. Sorry about that. Yeah, so definitely I also have a strong feeling that some of you guys now this is very specific. Some of you guys will have a new addition in your family, okay? Some of you guys might expect a baby, okay? If that's the case, please do let me know. I always feel extremely happy when someone just tells me, okay, this has come true, you know. So but I really strongly feel that some of you guys are going to conceive and have a new addition in their family, okay? Yeah, and for some of you this is going to be a different thing altogether, okay? Different career line altogether, one that you had not expected probably 5-6 months ago, okay? But that has come all of a sudden and that's gaining momentum. The energy in your external influences is that of Queen of Swords. Now this queen to me looks like someone who is all set, you know, all set to speak her mind, to take the action, to do the needful. And I feel that this is you, okay guys? Now this is you who is all set to do whatever it takes to achieve your goals, okay? To take all the efforts to cut down all the obstacles that are coming your way, in the way of your goals, in the way of achieving your goals, is what I see over here. Definitely your energy is what I see over here. Yeah, you're not going to take no as an answer for whatever it is that you are seeking. That kind of energy. In hopes and fears, this is Six of Swords, again very interesting energy. I feel that this is again you who is, you know, trading ahead, moving ahead in life, wanting to leave behind the past and just move ahead in your life towards your goals, okay? In the outcome position there is Knight of Swords. Now I really feel guys that there is like a lot of sudden shift that is going to happen in your life, okay? Some set of events that is just going to change your life forever and completely, and this is of course going to be a good change, no doubt about that, no second thoughts about that. But definitely some strong energies coming in a very headstrong way in your life is what I see, guys. Be prepared for that. I also feel that for some of you guys there could be a what do I say, there could be a new person entering into your life, new person wanting to come to your life. Maybe you know this person, but you are not aware that that person likes you, okay? But that person is just headed or wants to head in a very headstrong way towards you guys, and that person really likes you is what I see over here. That person wants to express his or her heart to you, heart out to you guys. Maybe there might be an age gap between the two of you also, okay? That's what I see. I see that there's a younger energy in this, younger energy involved in this. A little immature is but not bad, okay? But yeah, lot of movement is what I see over here happening for you guys in the coming days, guys. Coming days and coming months is what I would say. Be prepared, guys. And definitely, like I said, the changes are for good. The energy at the bottom of the deck was Nine of Pentacles. Now this is you who is enjoying his or her bliss, okay? Enjoying her freedom, enjoying her solitude, working towards her goals, okay? Goals, aspirations, whatever it is, but just enjoying the bliss is what I see over here. Now guys, interestingly, there is this Nine of Wands, there is this Ten of Wands, and there is this Death of card. Now this all to me signifies, now this is to a specific group of people. You guys are stressed about something, you guys are overworked about something, okay? Maybe you guys, this could be the same people who are preparing for something. Now you are so much focused on achieving something, whatever it is that is you're focused on, that you are like completely drained and exhausted, okay? You want to, or you are working towards ending something, ending one chapter of your life, okay? I really feel that for some of you guys, some chapter of your life is closing over here. Might be a relationship, might be a job, might be a career, but there is a strong headstrong end to something that was not easy to deal with, okay? Not easy to digest. Something that will require your efforts, conscious efforts to move away from, okay? There will be a lot of emotions involved in this. It will really make you drained emotionally, but guys, know that the sun is going to shine brighter after that, okay? So whatever it is that is ending, for you guys, definitely you are headed for new beginnings after that. So please be assured, even if the times are tough, good days are definitely ahead for you guys. Leos, don't worry about that. And like I said, my favorite card in the deck, Empress. Now I feel that for some of you guys for whom this new energy, this energy of love is entering into your life, for those people, this person really adores you, like really adores you, and they admire you, they find you really beautiful. Okay, they see you as this Nine of Pentacles as well as this beautiful Empress. The person who is just, I mean, they find you just perfect, just perfect, and they do not see anything wrong in you guys. Not a single flaw they could see in you is what I see, and it's a very beautiful energy that's coming your way. Please be open for that. Okay. And like I said earlier, for some of you guys there definitely is some good news in terms of babies. Okay, some of you guys are definitely going to have a baby soon, and I'm very sure about that. I'm very sure. I can feel it very strongly over here. And heartiest congratulations to those whoever is falling into this category. I'm so happy. I'm already feeling so happy about you. Yeah, so let's see guys what we have for you from this beautiful deck, and my favorite deck actually. Let's see what we have for our lovely Leos. Step out of your comfort zone is first message that you guys. Somehow I'm propelled or pulled to take another message for you guys. Oops, something fell down. Give me a minute, guys. Sorry about that. These cards just fell down, and I am somehow feeling pulled to take them. Take time to breathe out. So there are some people who are kind of exhausted. I told at the beginning of the reading as well that some of you guys are really overworking and kind of exhausting themselves by doing too many things. So this is for them. Please take time to breathe out. Please chill. Please relax, otherwise it's going to affect your health is what I'm strongly feeling. Don't let your past hold you back. Another beautiful message. Okay, so whatever endings that you guys are going to face, please know that they are for your highest good. I know it sounds very cliched and very parrot kind of a thing, but trust me, we do not see the long term effects when we are going through bad phase, but trust me, you after a couple of months, you'll feel that yeah, that was the best thing that has happened to me. So this is for you guys. Keep on moving forward. Okay, do not look back. Your dreams need a practical plan. Wow. To whoever this resonates, whatever you are trying to achieve, whatever goals you have set for yourself, please make sure that you have practical plan and practical steps associated with those goals to achieve those goals, I would say. Okay, do not get swayed or carried away, but think practically and take actions practically. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, that card really wanted to jump. Tranquility. Make time to relax, be still and enjoy your solitude. Solitude, indulging in much needed self-care. Now, yeah, self-care was the word that kept on coming to my mind while shuffling for you guys. So please take this very seriously. Do take care of your health. If you are not feeling good, please take action in a timely manner. Okay, do not ignore your health is what I'm telling repeatedly in this reading. Okay guys, so Leos, I will leave it at that. I really like this reading. You guys are definitely headed for major events in your life. Okay, and I'm excited to know what happens for you or with you guys. Okay. Also Leos, there is one more thing I wanted to tell, that in the month of March, Tarot Talks, the channel for Tarot Talks is going to complete one year, and I'm feeling so happy about it. So yeah, so on this opportunity I am offering flat 20% off on all my personal readings. Okay, so please pass the word to whoever you think might help this with. Okay, so yeah, just pass the word, and if you like this reading, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so see you next month. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.